Hi everyone, welcome back to Natural Beauty with Melanie. Today I am here with my helper Tommy, who is cleaning himself once again, to unbox the Clean Beauty box for April 2021. I just got it in the mail recently and I'm so excited to open it. I go through great lengths to ignore things on Instagram, to ignore the emails Clean Beauty box sends me trying to tell me what the products are, what brand, etc. I also try to avoid the YouTube channels that I know that post telling you what these products are and everything. So I think this time that I think I might know who the brand is and maybe one of the products just on like accidentally seeing things, but we'll see when we open it. So here's the box. This is the April Clean Beauty box. Yikes. All right, let's see. It's called Immerse. All right, we've got Live Botanical. That's the featured brand. Yay. I don't have anything by this company, so I'm so excited. So let's pick up the first product. We have two products, it looks like. The first one is Tidal Moon Moisture Mask. This is what it looks like. It is a restorative honey balm with aromas of ancient coastal forests. It's 80% regionally sourced. It is 50 milliliters. Let me tell you, it says, drawing on how the moon's tidal force affects the rainfall on Earth, this rich mask replenishes moisture with hydrating raw honey, conditioning oils, and protective butters. That sounds nice. Elevated with a collection of nutrient-dense algae extracts and a unique May apple ferment for an antioxidant boost while enhancing the skin's ability to hold moisture. Perfect to use anytime you want to call on the moon for additional nourishment. We've got the ingredients, and the ritual is two different options, I guess. Conditioning option 1, scoop a small amount of balm and massage over wet skin. Let the mask set and perform a tapping motion with your fingertips to activate circulation for a few minutes. Let sit for 20 minutes or longer. And the hydrating option number 2 is scoop a small amount in palm or bowl and sprinkle in a little water to create a light blue cream. Apply a thick layer, allowing it to absorb for 10 minutes or longer. Both options. Wipe off gently with a damp cloth, removing the honey and leaving the protective oils. I am so excited. I love masks so much, and I think I did finish one of them recently from Daphne, which was one of the Clean Beauty box ones a few months ago. So I am so excited to open a new box. I mean, a new mask. This is what the jar looks like. A restorative honey balm with aromas reminiscent of ancient coastal forests. I might have already said that, but it sounds very nice. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look at it. Oh, you know what? It kind of reminds me of a Christmas tree. That would make sense, right? Ancient coastal forests. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Okay, let's check out the texture together. That's what the texture looks like. So it's going to be an interesting mask. It's kind of, it almost feels like to me, it's sort of like the, if you know it, Hanua Moonlit Glow Balm. In a way, it's kind of like greasy like that. Mehalani Moonlit Glow Balm from Hanua. But yeah, oh my gosh, it totally smells like Christmas tree, but not in like an oppressive way. There's sometimes I smell like, you know, pine scents and stuff that are like too much, but this scent is like really subtle, so I'm excited. Anyways, that's great. Let's see if the, it's gonna be fun. It looks just so, I love the color. Let's see if the card says anything special about it. It's a $60 value. And some of the main ingredients, I'll just quickly tell you, are bio-fermented May apple, which increases cellular vitality and stress resistance. This particular extraction is 7 times more effective than resveratrol. Potent Schisandra CO2 extract helps support skin's resilience, suppleness, and firmness. 2 algae extracts help build cellular regeneration. 1 creates a beautiful bright blue aroma and provides balancing minerals and vitamins. The other is a protein-rich oil extraction that deeply conditions the skin and improves protective barrier function. And lastly, local and raw wildflower honey deeply hydrates and creates a soft texture that easily glides onto skin without pulling or tugging. Yum. All right, and our second product we have, here's the box. Just wanted to see how the boxes compare. Okay, so that's what the two boxes look like. This is Ambient Moisture Liquid, a multi-dimensional moisturizer to hydrate, soothe, firm, and strengthen lipid barrier function. This is 82% regionally sourced. This is 50 milliliters. It says a complete moisturizer using nutrient-dense fruit oils, rich humectants, and regenerative whole herb infusions. Created from local fresh plants balanced with advanced green beauty technology to provide luminous, vibrant skin. Essential oil free with a mild berry scent that's suitable for most skin types, including sensitive, combination, and dry. Shake well. After cleansing and water-based serums or elixirs, massage 1 to 2 pumps of liquid to damp skin. For drier skin or at night, follow up with a layer of facial oil and balm of choice. Designed to be used day and night to maintain long-term vitality and integrity of the skin. Ambient Moisture Liquid. Let's see what the bottle looks like, or jar, or whatever it is. Ooh. It's a hard bottle, glass probably. That's what the bottle looks like. Multi-dimensional moisturizer to soothe, firm, and strengthen. This is 50 milliliters. Both of these, I believe, are 50 milliliters. It's kind of like, I was trying to figure out if it's kind of an interesting cap, you know? I didn't know if my cap was like, or maybe this is I don't know, let's see. I don't know if this is a cap protector or what's going on here, so let's just see. Give it a, okay, yep, nope. That's the little topper. Interesting. I never saw one of those like that before. All right, so let's see. I'm always bad at this, still learning. Okay. So it's not like drippy or anything. Let's rub it in. It's definitely a very subtle scent. I just literally got it like on my nose and lips and everything. It's not thick. It's pretty light, like thin, not a thick. It's even hard to tell you what kind of scent it is. Maybe like a little, geez, I don't know. It's so subtle, like a little lemon or something like that. A little honey-ish, I'm not sure. But anyways, as you can see, ooh, it definitely is like smooth. It feels good on the skin. I'm excited to try this on my face. Yeah, it feels nice and moisturizing. So that is exciting. Oh, I'm excited. I mean, if you guys know me, you know I love a moisturizer and I have way too many open, but like, I can't just leave it closed. The nice thing about this is I'm not exposing it to air. I don't know if like once you use the pump once, if it starts the expiration time or how that works. But this doesn't have any information on the jar about expiration. Let's see if the box does. Nope. So we'd have to look online for that information about expiration, as far as I can tell by my quick thing. Let me just tell you what the thing says about it. This Ambient Moisture Liquid has a $48 value. Whole aqueous infusions are created with local fresh herbs and balanced with ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and phospholipids for luminous, vibrant skin. Serum-like effect in the form of a lightweight moisturizer to impart vitality and a soft, dewy canvas. I agree, it does. It's definitely, I like that. Serum-like and lightweight is a very good description of it. It's essential oil-free. And the main ingredients I'll just tell you about. Go-to cola works to keep skin fresh, healthy, and hydrated. Broadleaf plantain helps restore skin from environmental stress such as UV rays and pollution. Red clover helps stimulate hyaluronic acid and improve skin firmness. Marshmallow, linden flower, aloe, and hyaluronic acid saturate the skin with moisture to soften and plump the appearance of fine lines. Phytoceramides optimize skin strengthening functionality. 2 more. Strawberry, cranberry, and raspberry oils rejuvenate with protective antioxidants and help prevent congestion and mango butter. Softens the skin and reduces water loss for long-term moisture. It's so subtle. It's like, it's not obvious at all to me. Again, shake well, apply it after your serums and or elixirs. It's just supposed to be your moisturizer day or night. Exciting. So that is $48 plus $60, so $108 value. Very nice. Yeah, so that is everything. We have the Ambient Moisture Liquid and the Tidal Moon Moisture Mask. I am really excited about this box. I actually was thinking about taking a bath soon, so this might be what's happening right after this video. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel. It'll definitely help me out, and it'll alert you when I post my next video. So thanks for tuning in. Let me know if you've ever used either of these products, or if you also get this box. I'd love to know, and I'd love to know your thoughts. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.